Yeah, and then we are done.
Papa Flammy's Advent Calendar.
Here.
Good morning, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to another video. Once again, it's time for Papa Flammy's Advent Calendar, and you guys like a little bit of number theory, trivia stuff, just like my t-shirt. We're going to take a look at another case where a rational to the rational power turns out to be rational. And it's really easy to construct stuff like this. There are infinitely many examples where you can do this, but we are going to take a look at a specific one. Let me think about something. I didn't really plan this out till now. So as the base, we need an irrational number. We have proven square root of 2 to be irrational. So this already works out. And now we need something irrational up here in the exponent. So we have used square root of 2 right now, so let us construct something that is irrational. It's quite easy actually. We want to get rid of the square root in the end, and also we want this 2 to cancel out something else. So why not take a look at 2 times the binary logarithm of, I really don't care about the argument, 157. There are infinitely many arguments you could use. Write something down there in the comments. What you think could also be an argument that would suit in here. Maybe you don't know this notation. The binary logarithm, at least in my case, is nothing but 2 times log base 2 of 157. And we want to show that this right here is indeed irrational. So why not do a little proof by contradiction, and let's assume that this thing right here is rational at the moment. This is rational, meaning we can write this thing right here, 2 times LB 157, as just a ratio of some positive integers without 0, so A over B. And now we can divide both sides by 2, because it's not equal to 0. And, well, 2 times B is nothing but another natural number, I really don't care. So this is A over C, let's put it that way, just for simplification purposes. Okay. We want to strive for a little contradiction in order for this original statement, this being irrational, to be true. How can we do this? Well, why not get rid of the logarithm at first, because this thing right here is quite annoying at the moment. So this is logarithm base 2, so let's take base 2 on both sides. That means if we take the 2 on both sides, 2 and the natural log, this binary log, is going to cancel out to 157, being equal to 2 to the A over C power. And now we can just take the C's power on both sides, so that we end up with 157 to the Cth power being equal to 2 to the Ath power. And remember, C and A are element of the positive integers without 0. And here's already the contradiction. You see this right here is odd, and if we take an odd number to any positive integer power, so odd times odd you could say, we're going to end up with an odd number overall. So you can prove this by induction, it's really quite easy. So this thing is going to be odd in the end. Maybe I have shown this already in a different video, I don't know at this point of time. But right here we have an even number raised to a positive integer power without 0. That means, for example, 2 times 4 is going to be 8, is once again an even number, so this is always going to end out even. And we have shown that a natural number can be even and odd at the same time. So this right here in itself is a contradiction. Really quite easy actually. With this out of the way, we have proven this number right here to be irrational. And well, now we can plug this into our exponent right here. That means we now have square root of 2 to the 2 times LB 157 power. You see, this and that is going to cancel out, just like planned. So we are going to end up with 2 times the log base 2 of 157. And just like with this situation here, the 2 and this base 2 is going to cancel out on the logarithm to just 157. And this element of natural numbers, and all natural numbers are rational, because they are a proper subset of the rational numbers. Yeah, and then we are done. I hope you did enjoy this little video. This really wasn't planned out. I just came up with this in the bus, kind of. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and recommend the channel if you like. If you want to support the channel a bit more, you just know what I'm going to say. You can buy those t-shirts I created, or you can support the channel on Patreon. Or just don't do anything, just watch the video this already helps a lot. So just watching and recommending the channel, activating the bell button really helps a lot, supporting the channel. And well, up until next video, have a flammable day, I guess. See ya!
Call this the law of cosmic laziness. Everything is naturally steered towards where time is slowest. We call this falling, going down. So you don't have to keep anything on the down low. Time will take care of